traveling light is going to be the way we're all going to probably eventually come down to, if it's just over frustration of having packed too much, of having lost your luggage, of not all of a sudden having enough overhead space to put your luggage. My name is Pamela Jones, and I'm from Essex, Connecticut. I take maybe 4 or 5 trips a year, anywhere from 3 nights overnight to 10 days, and anywhere from 2 states away, if I'm lucky, maybe Europe or the Far East. I travel often with friends, a lot of friends, and my bags are generally half the size of their bags, and I can still pull off as many outfits as they have. My first tip for packing is pulling out the clothes that you think you're going to want and try them on, because invariably, for me, a shirt has a stain on it I had no idea about. The zipper won't go up on that pair of pants. My second tip for packing light is actually working out and determining what your outfits are going to be. I actually will take the clothes that I have tried on already and put them on my bed and kind of create visual outfits, including on night number 1, I'm going to wear that pair of pants with that top, with those shoes and that necklace. Concentrate on certain themes if you're doing black and white and dark blue, because you don't want to get to your location and pull out a bright fuchsia top that goes with absolutely nothing. To keep the packing to a minimum and the clothes to a minimum, I certainly always will work on doubling up. I'll put down a pair of white pants with maybe 3 tops that I'm going to wear with that same pair of white pants. My third tip for packing would be the actual packing itself. I've watched my husband pack a suitcase, and it's an exercise in futility as far as space saving. I start with heavier stuff on the bottom. I put my shoes in there. I put bottles in plastic bags. I put bendable, squishy stuff like bathing suits and underwear. That all goes in the first layer. I long ago got a pair of traveling sneakers that are made of light webbing, not my big heavy Converse. I generally then do evening attire, whatever I'm going to wear in the evening, nice pants and the top that goes with that, etc., and then work my way up to what I'm going to be wearing in the daytime. Toiletries are a whole separate item there. I have a friend who uses so much product that she has a whole separate carry bag for her product. I will transfer lotions, etc., into small travel things that I know will get me through the trip. My fourth tip for packing would be to actually choose the suitcase first that either you're constrained to carry or that you want to carry, and make that be your law. Leave yourself time to pack and to think it through. Otherwise, you're going to be rushed at the end, and that's invariably when you just start throwing things in there. Gosh, maybe I'm going to need this. Enough time to think it through of what do I really want to take and what goes with what, and you're not rushing it at 11 o'clock at night because you've got a 6 a.m. pickup. You're going to be a lot better off for the following week or 10 days or however long you're going for.